Sage, you ready for this? She's like, I'm here for the nap. My biggest healthy living priority is to take care of myself first. Some might say that's selfish, but if I don't feel good, then I can't be a mom, I can't be a wife, I can't be a friend. So I attribute a lot of my recovery to my healthy eating and my working out. My name is Gretchen and I am from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and I am a Thrive Gives member. My favorite part is the discount. Food is so expensive right now, so it feels good to be able to order from a company that you trust and still be able to provide your family healthy foods. Okay, so I'm 40 years old, which means that I need a lot of protein, so I like to put collagen in my coffee. This also has added protein, but it's my kids' favorite pancake brand. I guess growing up, I kind of always wanted to quote unquote fit in. So I started smoking by 12. By 14, I was doing cocaine and went to my first rehab. And then by 21, I had tried heroin, and that was what took me down for 10 years. I've lived a life. I've been sober over 11 years. Well, I mean, this is where I'm probably gonna cry. I guess, always asked for help for so long. I didn't want to ask for help. I was embarrassed of who I'd become, what I was doing, but I was able to swallow my ego and message my best friend. You know, a lot of times it's that first step of just asking for help. But it definitely feels good to be able to share my story and inspire others and hopefully give them hope or their family hope. So for me, when I feel good, I don't want to look outside of myself and do drugs. And I know by working out and eating healthy, those are two of the main things that actually keep you feeling good. We'll get into my favorite things. Bread flour. This is the best bread flour if you were a baker. My mother-in-law was joking around, talking about since Camille, my daughter, loves bread so much, that I should just learn to bake it. My personality is, I'm just gonna Google it and do it. And I did. I made a sourdough starter that night and found my love for baking as another form of self-care for me, because baking is teaching me patience. That's not a word in my vocabulary. This is one way that you can make yourself feel good again. So this has kind of been a huge dream, to have this awesome family, to live this wonderful life that I have now. Thank you, Thrive Gives.